In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com templates, quick and easy guide. Templates in Monday.com are a fast way to spin up a ready-made board without starting from scratch. They come with pre-built groups, columns, and views tailored for common workflows like project tracking, content calendars, and CRM. Using them saves time and gives you a structure that's already been thought through, so you can focus on getting work done. Start by going to your home area in Monday.com. This is your hub, and it helps ensure you're working in the right place before adding anything new. If you're ever unsure where you are, Home brings you back to a clean starting point. Next, look at the left sidebar and find your main workspace. Right beside it, click the small plus icon. This opens options for creating new items. If you don't immediately see the plus icon, try expanding the sidebar or hovering your cursor over the workspace area until it appears. From the menu that opens, choose Template Center. This takes you into Monday.com's gallery of pre-built boards and solutions. Think of the Template Center as a curated library. Each item shows you what kind of problem it solves, what it includes, and how it's structured. Inside the Template Center, you can browse by category or simply search for what you need. Use clear keywords like project, marketing, HR, or sales to narrow things down. When a template catches your eye, open it to preview the layout. Look for the columns provided, the groups and statuses, and any suggested views. Many templates also include brief descriptions that explain how to use them effectively. When you're confident a template fits your workflow, use it directly from this screen. You'll be able to place it in your chosen workspace and rename it so it's easy to recognize later. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Templates are a starting point. After it's added, you can adjust columns, rename groups, and tailor views to match how your team actually works. Choosing something that's close is usually better than hunting for an exact match, because you can trim or tweak anything that isn't needed. A quick tip: using a template creates a new board based on that design. It won't change your existing boards. If multiple templates seem similar, pick one with the simplest structure. You can always add complexity later. That's it. Go to Home, click the plus icon beside your main workspace, open the Template Center, and then search and use a pre-built template that fits your needs. You'll be up and running in minutes.